Well, there it is. I'm back. So I have brought the ECM, that is the original ECM, to this truck that has been repaired by the place we kept getting different ECMs from in Texas. I've brought our original back. They repaired it and sent it back to us, and it came UPS today. So here I am again to deliver this, and hopefully this will work. Alright, here's the original ECM I'm getting out of the box. I already opened it up at the house to hopefully see that it was the original one. Actually, I'm really not quite sure if this one is or not, but here it is. So I'm going to take this in for them to put it on the truck. Hopefully they will put it on today. They may not be able to. That's fine. But Charlie's in the Freightliner today. It has 2 check engine lights on it, but the DEF fluid light is not on today. So it's still going. We still hope to get it deleted soon. And as far as this ECM, Cummins in Greensboro, where this ECM went when it first went bad, with the first mechanic we had this with, this truck scene, which was our usual mechanics, Cummins said that this ECM was non-repairable. So that's why we have been going through the whole rigmarole of having different ECMs sent to us, and they just weren't working. So we had this ECM tested. Cummins, somebody else at Cummins, the person who was originally working with this ECM, retired. So when we went to pick up this original ECM again to have, somebody else there ended up communicating with it, and it told them that it was repairable. So instead of paying the money to have Cummins fix it and repair it, it was going to be for free if we sent it to Texas. So we've sent it to Texas. It's back today. Hopefully this one is repaired and it's all good. So if you guys don't know how this originally started, this ECM issue started because Charlie was cleaning the truck and he was pressure washing the motor. These ECMs are not supposed to get wet. However, this one got wet. He has learned a great lesson. So if any of you have a dump truck or any kind of motor like this, if you drive something, have something for your business that has an ECM, do not get it wet. You're not supposed to. It happened with us, and we've paid greatly for it. So just a huge advice. Don't get it wet. So I'm going to run this in real quick, guys, and see what they say and let you know. I just ran that ECM in there, gave it to her. I did not ask a time frame. I did not ask if they were going to work on it today. I did not ask if they thought it was going to be ready today. Nothing. I just said, here it is. Thank you. And we'll be waiting for your phone call. If this does not work, we have discussed that we're going to take this truck home and limp it home, tow it home, whatever. Park it and forget it for a while. I mean, we're still trusting the Lord, and we're still resting in the Lord. But this has been going on for so long, and I mean, it is a cost, and I understand it's not our money. It is the Lord's money. That's the way we feel about it. That's what we know. But we do have to be sensible, and we have to make good decisions with our money and with God's money, and it costs. It's costing people for the shipping back and forth to Texas. It's costing us to have them work on it so many times. It's costing gas to, get the ECM out here to them, it's costing gas to take it, to get it shipped. I mean, it's just, there's just little costs and there's large costs. So if this doesn't work, we're just going to park it for a while unless the Holy Spirit lets us know something else that we're thinking wrong along the lines of that, and move on and focus on the Freightliner and deleting it and working what we can. So just want to give you guys an update on what's going on with the Western Star, and that ECM had come in today. So I'll let you know what happens with it. Take care, guys.